guys, good morning. I just woke up and after that I am going for some dinner with my friends. That's what we are gonna do. And yeah, I'm just having a little bit of hot water right now. Also today I am gonna cook before leaving because I am making a little bit of dinner for my family and for Mausam's family as well. I have few Instagram video that I'm gonna finish up right now, and then I'm gonna cook. Just finished filming a new reel video. I'm gonna post it right over here so you guys can see my top 6 favorite blush for Indian skin. Makeup Revolution Reloaded blush in the shade Ballerina, Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Mellow Wine, Color Bar Matte blush in the shade 001, Benefit Cosmetics Georgia blush, Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Coral, and Faces Canada Ultimate HD blush in the shade 01. And I actually mentioned my top 6 blush. I'm trying to do more of this kind of videos on my Instagram because I think you guys really love it, and it's quite helpful as well somewhere, like top 5 highlighter, top 6 blush, foundation, concealer and whatnot. So yeah, if you don't follow me on Instagram, do follow me there. Right now I'm just gonna go and do some kind of shopping because I have to cook. I have, I think, 2 hours with me.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
So this is what my outfit looks. If you guys know me, you guys may know that this is one of my favorite t-shirt of all time. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys my full outfit afterwards. I'm gonna do my makeup right over here. I'm gonna do my makeup right now. Also, I'm gonna do a little bit of unboxing as well. I just now received this parcel, so let's see what's in it. Okay, so I think I have something from this brand, this Guys Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. Yeah, thank you so much for sending this over. This is their nail polish, which looks great. I'm gonna wear this for New Year. And another nail polish. I was about to purchase a pink nail polish and here it is. Your single eyeshadow, which looks like this. I think right now I'm gonna try this out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is how my makeup turned out, and I'm loving how simple, how easy it is. And yeah, right now I'm just gonna go, and that's pretty much it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Till you see her, you'll agree. Zoom, 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 zoom. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Wait till you see her.